So guys, we just got this really lovely portable noise machine.
It can't fly.
We are going to put it in Belle's room. Since she was a baby, I never bought her one of these. I don't know why, but I know it works for some people. So we're going to try to see if it makes any difference to her sleeping in her room.
Yeah.
And I like that it's so comfortable. We're just unboxing this right now. So when we open it, what did we find? We found there's a Join Dream Egg VIP Club. So this is called the...
So I told you it was like a dog feeder.
This is the Dream Egg portable white noise sound machine.
Yeah.
And it looks so sleek. Look at that. I love it.
It looks like
guys.
It looks like a feeder.
It looks like a dog feeder. Oh yeah, you were so clever. We've never tried this, so we're going to see if this makes any difference in Belle sleeping throughout the night. So normally she will wake up and come to my room around 1 a.m. So she's never really slept throughout the night in her room. So let's see if this makes a difference, guys. I am hoping it does. If it does, look, I have no idea. It will be...
That would be crazy.
You think?
Yeah.
You think it would be crazy for this to make you sleep throughout the night?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you hear that, guys? She thinks it will be crazy. Okay, let's try this. Let's go and give you a wash.
Yeah.
And we'll see if this is as crazy as they say.
No.
Your words.
Sure.
Here on this little table here, I don't know if you know, this is like the IKEA spice rack that I turned into a mini table for her, because I didn't want to take any space with the bedside table. So let's put this in this corner. So this has the normal USB plug, so I'm just plugging it to her Amazon tablet, Amazon Fire charger, and we see what it does. Right,
Can we put it on now?
hold on, let's see. Should we put the thing on? It's on, yeah. Oh, looks like it's on. Just turn it on like this. Ah! She thinks it will be so crazy. You heard her. This is so cool. So what's your favorite sound?
Birds.
Are you sure it's birds? Don't you like rain? Also, you can decrease the volume, and you can set a timer too. What sound is that? Is that like the fan? Oh, this is where you change the sound. Oh, this is rain. Let's decrease it. Hold on, let's decrease it. That is rain, and we decreased it.
Can I do my one now?
Let's see. I love this. I think I want to get one of these for myself.
Me too.
Because I know I like the sound of rain, so sometimes I use I play videos on YouTube to sleep with, like when I'm struggling to sleep. So this would be a good thing to buy. But we are going to try it on Belle to see how it works. If she sleeps throughout the night, that will be amazing for me. But she thinks it will be crazy that this thing will get her to sleep the whole night.
And I will wake up and say,
You think? Mama, no.
can we put it on?
You put it off again. So let's find out what your favorite sound is, okay? Then we leave it on all the time.
My sound is birds.
Yeah? What was the birds?
Oh. I don't know.
This has a different sound. Let's see.
Nice. Let's see.
No. There it is.
So that's
Is that your favorite sound? You think that can get you to sleep?
I love you.
You think that this will get you to sleep, the birds?
I'll see you.
Okay, now let's put it here then. So the good thing is it's not so big, so it just fits perfectly on the thing here. and it's so sleek. I like the shape.
I want to sleep right here.
You want to sleep right now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get you ready for bed. Let's go and brush your teeth first, okay? Come on. She already wants to sleep. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. She's loving it. I think I'm going to get one for myself, guys. Is it making you sleepy? It's making you sleepy? Let's go and get you ready for bed then. Then you can come and sleep. Come on. So guys, she slept by herself and she's still asleep. And it's about 12 p.m. I'm going to go to sleep. So she's asleep, which is good. And she slept by herself. That's good. So we are on our holiday, and guess what? We actually brought our white noise maker here. Guys, this has been amazing. Belle has slept without waking up through the night like she used to do, and I love it. If you want to get this for your toddler or yourself, I like it myself. So guys, not only is this machine the best white noise maker I've ever had, but it's also very portable. As you can see, we brought it on our holiday, our staycation 2020. Whoop whoop. Yeah, and it has 10 different noises, and it has 3 timers. You have the 30 minutes, the 60 minutes, and the 90 minutes. It has an inbuilt battery or something that you can actually, so you can actually put it on without the charger and it will work, and you can increase the volume and decrease it as well. It has a timer. It has standard earpiece slot that you can actually listen to it without somebody else hearing in the room. And let's see, has the music. This is Belle's favorite sound, and these are the different sounds that are on there. This is the fan, and this is the waves. I love it. It has worked so well since we got it about a week ago. Belle sleeps throughout the night without waking up and to look for me and look for attention or anything. So this is a good buy. Like, this is something, you parents, you're not going to regret it. Get one for yourself. I have a discount code. Use it and then thank me later, guys. There's a discount code in the description box below, guys. It's going to last for just 24 hours. So I think you should just grab yourself one, okay? Guys, we're enjoying our holiday. Look at them. They're enjoying their holiday. So I'm going to end this video here right now. Go grab yourself one of this for a 30% discount. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye, everyone. Bye.